Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video I'll be doing kind of like a scalp tutorial. So I'm just gonna be turning it, and for this process I will need a pin to kind of like hold everything. So it needs to be equal. I forgot to tell you, it needs to be equal. So my pin is down there, so I'm just putting it down. So I need a pin to stick it. I'm coming. I'm gonna put it on my lap. I'm going to be using this kind of like a pin. So kind of like stick it. I literally just finished putting the pin all the way back. Just twisting this like what I did to the other one. And I'm gonna put it on top. Make sure you twist it well. So I'll be using this veil from Snoozy. I've not even opened it yet. I've not even checked it out. They just brought it for me today and I decided why not just do a scalp tutorial. And also yeah, let's unbox it. Not really unboxing, but let's just open it. So this is how the scarf is. So I have the scarf on my head, and yeah, I'm going to be putting on the scarf on top of it. It's a silky scarf so that it won't like slip off, and it will be just easy for me. So right now I'm just trying to fold it. I'm just trying to fold the tips together, so to have this kind of, just fold it, kind of like put it on top of this. This one, we're not twisting it, we're actually doing something with it. Still going to do like this. Like something like this. So with this one we're gonna do a unique style. We're gonna do like a moss. When you're doing a turban style, it's like a must for you to wear a cap with kind of like a sequence to it. So I'm redoing this.
I hope you guys learned one or two from this video, and if you did, just comment down below and tell me whether you tried this style or not. And if you have questions, just drop it down the comment section. I will be glad to answer you guys.
I'm just going to put the pin again.
That this video wasn't so perfect and all, but I really appreciate you guys, the support. Thanks so much.
This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. Please, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and stay tuned for my next video.